Hey there, thanks for clicking onto our channel's introductory video. Today we're just gonna go out, we're going camping. It's me and some of my friends and my brother-in-law. We normally come camping. We try to do it once a month. It doesn't quite always work out like that. They have families and kids. So we're going out to the campsite now and see you out there. Okay, we've been out here for a couple hours and they're trying to put up Thomas's new truck bed tent. They've been working on it a lot longer than they should have. It went faster once Justin got involved. It's right here. Adam, it's never a help. And Thomas is hiding from the camera right now. While all this has been going on, there's actually an alligator sitting in the pond. You probably can't see, he's right about here. And rarely see him out here, or her, not really sure. Don't want to assume genders. Come back over here, and yep, that's still going on. Now we know if Adam says, or actually if one of you guys says, Adam, don't touch that, Adam, you gotta stop. Adam breaks stuff.
All right. Be more like.
So this is,
okay.
What brand is this? Guide Gear?
Yeah.
Guide Gear.
Okay, well, it's up.
So it is indeed up.
I need to give up.
I think it is too.
Adam, you should have ordered that bed tent a couple of days earlier.
I don't know why this thing's all sudden ever problem. Actually, I know why, because the stakes aren't in all the way. So it keeps lifting it up, so it won't.
Well, you got those plastic stakes, so you can't really. The ground's too hard right now.
Yeah.
You need a bed tent, or you need a camper top.
Sorry.
Oh no, you're fine.
Trying to get this one, because this one was like falling out of the video and everything. Well, you know, we could see if we can find some more rocks over here and set them at the base of these poles to keep them pushed in.
We can put them directly under the tent. It'll help us.
Dude, it'll help us back. Hot rock, massage,
hot rocks on the back, man.
Boom.
People pay a lot of money for that.
There you go.
Yeah.
Justin might be the smartest one of us. He spent a very little amount of money on that hammock there, and then this hammock in the back he got for free.
Hey man, my tent's from back there in high school days.
It is from back there in high school days. I think Thomas just died.
I think he did. Maybe a little.
Not that that's going to do much, but at least if it does give way again, it'll grab these roots right there and stop it up a little bit for you.
I think the important thing is you need to sleep in the far side of the tent, the one that does not collapse.
Oh no, they've both collapsed.
Which is weird, because it's literally because the stakes aren't in the ground. Hey, yours is more secure than mine.
Woo, shit.
Don't fall into my truck, man.
All right, see you on the morning.
A little early for that yet. And I'll be sleeping for the first time in the back of my truck with a camper top, bed rug back there, and just throw a sleeping bag back there, and we'll see how it works. Okay, one of the things we're going to do on this channel is we're going to talk about the vehicles we drive and some of the stuff we're going to do to work on them, improve them, what have you. This is a 2006 Chevy Silverado Vortec Max package, 4x4. I added the tow mirrors. They were cheap. They'll get replaced later because they're kind of not all that great. This is an actual Vortec Max package, not like all the other Vortec Maxes you see around that are sticker packages that someone slapped on the side of a short bed single cab truck that blatantly isn't one. 410 gears, 14 bolt rear axle, and has probably seen more off-road duty than most Jeeps. Now we're gonna walk down here and make sure my brother-in-law doesn't get eaten by the alligator.
Oh dang!
Yeah, the title of the vehicle will be "Aw Dang."
I'm sure my wife would not like that.
So just out of curiosity, how many of us here would actually jump in and try to save him?
I mean, he's not my brother; he's my brother-in-law.
Yeah, we know. You almost killed him that.
Yeah, you did almost kill me.
You don't get in and try and save me. I can swim.
Throw a log at you.
He's right there. Looks much further on the camera than it is. Oh, he's turning towards us. Hey, Thomas, why don't you reach down there and just splash around in the water a little bit?
Justin will.
Justin always will. We didn't even offer him $5 this time. That's right, we're adults. Justin actually has children.
That's why I'm doing this.
Oh, man. Right there, it is coming. Oh, man, it's not playing either.
Where's Troy? Shoot him, Elizabeth. Shoot him.
No, we're actually in national forest right now, so we don't want to actually shoot anything. So yeah, if it grabbed that arm, man, it has it now. I don't want to face that.
I'm gonna second guess that. It grabs the arm. It's coming out of the water.
Justin's arm is bigger than Gator's head.
That it's not a small gator, but it's not a big one either.
It's probably 6 foot gator.
Probably 6 foot.
I mean, it would definitely hurt, but I think I'd come out on top.
Yeah.
And just for reference again, let's just show the campsite, which is
Right there.
alligator
Campsite.
Well, the good thing is gators are ambush predators, so there's no reason for it to come up on land. And if it does, Adam's the only one sleeping on the ground.
That's right.
Next one in biting range is Justin.
Its jaws can't open wide enough to get me in it, so
It's just a little fella.
I think I'm safe.
Again,
It is not a
right
Nile.
there. This is Thomas's 2006 Dodge Ram Hemi.
Yes.
Quad cab.
Quad cab, Laramie, 4x4. Probably the only 06 third gen Ram you'll see running around with Rebel wheels and tires. Those are pull-offs. Picked those up and got rid of the 20-inch rims I had and went down a tire size to 33s where I had 35s. But yeah, she's a good truck. Needs some work. Needs some touch up with the paint, as you can see. We did do a little bit of a plasti dip on the emblems there.
Yeah, I did that on my bumpers too.
Yeah, I got some badges, the newer badges off the newer Rams to put on there. Try to be a little bit more unique. There's my tonneau cover we took off for my bed tent. It's blue. That needs to be painted as well. But
It's okay. Thomas is using his old toolbox over there as a seat. He's turned the campsite into the front of a trailer park.
I usually do. Used to be a tire.
You used to keep that 35-inch tire.
And now I've upgraded to a toolbox.
toolbox.
Yeah. But yeah, we got some work to do. Front stub shaft needs to be, gotta get a part for it, get that replaced, and go from there.
That's okay. Par for the course of the 2006 model. All right. Well, let's go harass. Either Adam or Justin. It's just another damn Dodge.
Yeah.
I'm a pilgrim in an unholy land. They're all Dodge owners. Nothing better than camp food. Little potatoes stuck in the embers. Adam brought the grill for the hot dogs. Potato hour commences. Okay, so Adam's potato for some reason refuses to cook. Poor Adam. So the solution from Justin was, let's just pile a bunch of stuff on top and light it on fire.
Have you ever seen a professional cook? Like, that's what they do.
I didn't say it was wrong. I just said this is what's happening right now. On a campfire?
Well, then you need to watch more HGTV.
Or your truck, Thomas?
Food Network, something like that.
That's a lot of nylon really close to the flames. That was the Thomas for reference. The flames are probably about 4 feet high. Go pull up in front of my truck. That's all of it. That's all the Hemi has. There's a potato in there somewhere.
Yeah.
If that doesn't cook it, I don't know what to tell you, buddy. It means you don't get a potato, and it's time for you to settle for a wiener.
Nah, I ate like half of it. That's about it. I guess.
Oh, he's gonna roast his
They gotta make a
his
grilled
bun.
cheese.
Making grilled cheese. I guess I did bring cheese for the taters. So the cooking platform today has been the bed of Justin's 2006 Cummins 2500 Mega Cab. That's right. It's going to take a couple of minutes to get to the front of this thing. It's two-wheel drive Cummins, like I said, 2006. He's got a couple of mods on it, straight through exhaust. And while we're at it,
Shout out to DAP,
DAP,
Diesel Auto Power.
Diesel Auto Power. That's where Justin gets his parts from, I guess. Some of them.
Actually, all of them.
Look out, guys. He's about to unleash the beast.
Shit, ain't no beast. Man, it's literally just a,
Look, a little piece of chrome.
yeah, literally. Just a stock Cummins with a 3-inch intake.
And straight pipe exhaust.
Yeah.
Not that you can see it, but it's back there behind the turbo somewhere.
Got a boost tube and the grid heater delete.
Got some
That's it.
transmission modifications.
Yeah, it does have that. It has a 6.6 Duramax, well, an Allison transmission. It's solenoid, pressure solenoid in there on a custom adapter. High pressure transducer, and
Some other stuff.
what else did I put in there? I can't remember. Anyway,
All I know is you just got, whoever watches this video, they got really excited when you started talking about Duramax. You go, oh, well, it's an Allison. And then they're like, yeah, he's got an Allison swap. And you were like, a part of it. It's a solenoid. And they went, oh.
hey, it keeps the transmission from going kaboom for now.
For now.
So,
What transmission is that?
48 RE.
48 RE. So what's in Adam's truck? What's that one?
That's a 68 RFE,
68 RFE.
6-speed.
So and what year is that, Adam?
12.
It's a 12. Adam's back there trying to eat his raw potato. Is it is it still raw?
It's not raw.
It's not raw, but it's not hot.
Still hard.
It's just not.
Done?
It's starchy.
It's not smashed. It's not mashable.
It's not mashable.
Exactly.
Like
All right,
most
well,
women, he knows.
Okay, no, we're not going there. Hey, look, a truck.
Sorry.
So anyway, Adam's on a level kit, stock Cummins. What is that? 35s on 20-inch fuel wheels.
Yeah.
What kind of wheel is it?
Mavericks.
Maverick, fuel Maverick. Cummins. And while Thomas bought badges for his truck, Adam said he don't need no stinking badges and took his off.
And you have to clean it off.
And has yet to clean it off. Works in a detail, owns a detail business, hasn't cleaned it off.
No time.
No time. That's what he says. No time. As
Why
with a
would you
mouthful
take
of raw
off?
potato.
What'd you do with them?
Well, one of them broke.
Oh.
Wait, we can fix that.
Do what?
But the tank was coming off.
We can fix it.
Never mind.
Completely fixable.
We're putting those, we're putting those badges on Justin's truck. He just doesn't know it yet. Then we're gonna put those tow mirrors off of Justin's truck onto Thomas's. Thomas, just push his tent a little bit, see what happens. Like, no, don't. It's gonna fall. Wait until he's in it. Adam doesn't have the tow mirrors. Poor Adam.
He's got the remote start. He's got.
The only thing that really matters is he's got this Cummins turbo diesel, 4-wheel drive. All the other trucks are 4-wheel drive except for Justin's. Justin's all about being lean and speedy. That's why he got a mega cab.
No, I'm worried about fuel mileage.
That's why he got the mega cab.
That's why I got a 2-wheel drive. Mega cab's for the family.
Hey, crack that thing open. Let's see if your grilled cheese worked. No.
It is very toasty, so no. No, it did not. Oh, that was a waste of cheese and bread.
No, take a bite.
No, fuck no.
Take a bite.
Nope. Nope.
Take a bite.
Nope.
You were gonna go play chicken with the
You
alligator.
See that? No, I am not eating that.
You're gonna play chicken with the alligator. But
Yeah,
you don't eat that.
that's safer than eating this.
Alligator's still out there, by the way. Yep, right there.
Probably should have flipped it.
Probably should have what?
Probably should have flipped it.
That'd be all right. All right, after action report. Thomas, tell the people how you liked your tent.
It's alright. Did an excellent job of keeping bugs off of me while I slept.
It's a tent.
Being as it is a tent. Need to find something a little thicker than a sleeping bag. Pretty rough. And it's pretty good. It's a pretty good little tent.
Well, you know what actually kept the bugs off you was that confusing camouflage.
Yes.
You got real tree on top of your head. You got BD jacket. And what is that? ACU pants.
Yes.
Adam slept on the air mattress. So he slept
In the big tent.
in the big tent.
The castle.
It did stay up.
It did. I almost knocked it over, but it's up.
Adam, don't touch that. We'll just make shirts that say Adam, don't touch that. That'll be our first shirt.
Well, at least we know it's going to be real easy to take down.
Justin enjoyed his hammock as always, I'm sure.
So much so they're already up.
Hey,
They are already
while
up.
these guys are having to take this shit down, ta-da, I'm leaving.
Me too, actually. All I have to do is put up my chair. See, there's camper top. I'm like Thomas. I'm gonna have to find. Well, Thomas's problem was warmth for the. That's why I was talking about a sleeping bag. For me, I need something thicker to sleep on because just the bed rug's not doing it for me. It's not quite soft enough. So we had a good
Not
fire.
Tootsie Roll fruit cup.
What's that?
It is not a Tootsie Roll fruit cup.
Nope. Fire was really good. Justin got these rocks, and I think it kind of helped. Rocks got hot, radiated heat real good. Contained the fire. So we'll be doing that next time as well. Finding rocks around here isn't as easy as it is other places in the country. So look out over the lake. Got a little mist coming off the lake. It's about what'd you say, 6:30, Justin? 6:30.
Closer to 7 now.
Closer to 7.
6:43.
6:43. Oh, also, I forgot my pillow last night, so that didn't help.
I did as well. Also, I had unzipped the window
Uh-huh.
when we had it on the ground and not propped up,
Oh, it didn't want to zip up, huh?
and it did not want to zip up. That was fun. Luckily, it was still. If I couldn't have gotten it up, there's still a netting to keep the bugs out. But I like my privacy.
You afraid Adam was going to look in on you?
Yeah, you never.
He's about the only one tall enough to see in there. We don't even have 35s anymore. Adam's got the 2-room Taj Mahal.
I do.
One whole room for storage.
It's about as long as the truck.
Truth. That's where none of the magic happens, right there.
Damn.
But I can't say I'm not envious. It would be kind of nice.
At least I get to sleep off something hard. So, ooh.
Yeah, but man, you were gonna be, well, you were probably gonna be #1 bait for the gator. Except, your air mattress actually kept you higher up off the ground than Justin's hammock overnight sag.
It just means I know to strap them up higher.
Yeah, higher next time.
I was trying to make it easier for fat ass to get into it.
Here, Justin's sweeping the campsite.
So when I get my tent.
What's
Oh,
that?
Yeah, when I get my tent.
Oh yeah, when you get your bed tent, it's gonna be nice. You're gonna have your whole mattress back there. You're also gonna be sleeping over the bed rails. Like, what is that? Like 1.5 foot of mattress?
It's big.
Look at that.
The only downside is it loses air.
Well, I mean that's any air mattress.
Sure.
I've got some pretty good, like, I had a hunch over, but I can stand up.
Swing case, man. You got some rust on there, don't you?
Yeah, I know. I gotta deal with
Like that's some heavy rust.
I know. Both. I gotta take them off and fix them.
Some really
Bed
heavy.
liner.
Some really heavy rust. You should
My bed tent's actually 5.5 feet tall.
5.5 feet.
His is only like 4.5.
Oh, so you're gonna have this giant truck plus a huge tent.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it comes out like, I mean, it attaches to here, but I think the arm like
Oh, okay. So the awning kind of
sticks out.
hangs over. So
So I can almost stand up in it.
almost stand up. So my recommendation, by the way, is use some Evapo-Rust on those hinges. It's the best stuff ever.
Yeah, I need to do that.
Because once you pull it off and you drop it in the Evapo-Rust, forget about it for like a couple hours, maybe overnight, it'll be perfect. Did you put that in there just to show?
Yeah. Man, that I was kind of curious.
Okay. All I'm gonna say is make sure you're responsible campers. When you get done, police the area, pick everything up, put your fire out.
Only you
Just-
can prevent forest fire.
That's right, Smokey the Bear over there. So just do the right thing. All right, so we're going ahead and we're just packing everything up. We're about to get out of here. Today's Mother's Day. These guys got to get back home to their families. I got to call Mom. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. And see you again soon.